Let me talk about how you can block messages on the Apple Watch. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one. So on the Apple Watch, if you don't ever want to receive any messages, you have to manage it on the paired iPhone. So on that device, you open up the Watch app where you can go to the notifications section, and in there you can decide whether the messages and notifications from the texts is going to be mirrored from the iPhone, meaning the same settings will be applied, or you can set up the custom settings. So if you enable the mirror the iPhone, obviously nothing is going to be allowed to be changed because you just adopt the iPhone's settings. But if you click on custom, you have the ability to disable the notifications or perhaps just turn off the alert sounds or haptics. So that's up to you to play with and decide how exactly you want to use it, right? Outside of that, if you're not disturbed by the notifications for messages, then you don't really need to use the app at all. You can as well just open up any specific person which is texting you, tap on their contact and scroll down so you can block it. But outside of that, you don't really have that much else that you would be able to do. So it was just a quick guide. Let me know what you think below in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the future uploads.